What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I backtest my trading strategy, and I will link the app I'm using down in the description. Let's get into it. We're gonna backtest E-mini and S&P 500 futures September contract. Today is September 5. I'll show you the results of my backtest and kind of walk you through the simple process I backtest my ICT trading strategy. So first I will look at the economic calendar to see if there is like high impact news on that day that I need to be aware of. So I will change my time zone to New York time zone. So we can see there are medium impact news on 8:30. At 10 there are like high impact news, ISM, manufacturing, PMI. So what I would do first is see where will the market likely to go. So we can see in downtrend there are wick on this fair value gap. So we can see the market is likely to attack the sell side liquidity pool. So what I would do is draw a trend line on it and make it precise. Okay, so I think the market is likely to go down, but if it goes up, I think it's likely to go to the midpoint of this fair value gap. So it's about right here, the midpoint. So this is a bullish bias, but today I'm more bearish. Okay, I'm more bearish. So I'll hide this and we can get into it. Okay, we can look at 4-hour chart, retrace back to the fair value gap. There's one more here. Market structure shift right here. So what I would normally go to is September 1. So we can see the market is trending down and right onto the midnight New York opening. So I will like draw a line on it. So this is a midnight New York opening price. What I'm doing is I will only entry in a 4 specific time frame. I only trade New York session on 8:30, 9:30, and the afternoon New York session, which is 1:30 and 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. And all the time frame is based on New York time zone, all based on what ICT teach us. So what I would do is to go to 8:30 New York opening time and to see if they're set up right there. So you can see the market is simply just consolidating near our bearish bias. So it's trending up right now. So here is 8:30 New York opening, and I'll draw a line on it too. So this is New York opening price. I believe I have one set up near right here. So trading one right here. So we can see right here, submit to time. Only enter in 8:30 after 8:30 opening. The price retrace back to a 5-minute fair value gap right here. And the buy side liquidity taken on 5-minute structure. So we can see right here, it's taking the buy side liquidity. Right here, it's taking out right here. And the market structure shift, taking that low down, taking it low right here, break, retrace back to the fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame. Align with power free. The price break above the new opening price first and then goes down, and I'm targeting at this liquidity pool, and we can see there's a SMT divergence right here too. So I don't know, my chart is kind of like bugging right now. It only shows the low and I can't change it, but there's a SMT divergence right here. So we can keep going. And price reaches my target. So this is the first trade. So what I would do too is to record my trade entry. So this is the first trade. So I take 3 trades this day. Okay, so the next time I will be aware of is 9:30. Make a line right here, new opening time, to see if anything happens right here. Let's probably keep on going. So I believe I have an entry right here too. So right here, we can see the buy side liquidity being taken out. Our bias today is bearish until reaching this level, which is the daily sell side liquidity pool. We see the buy side being taken out right here, and we can see a small fair value gap right here. And stop loss above this high. Okay, let's see what the price will do. Doing a lot of heat right here, and the price just dropped to our target. So the target is accomplished, reach. The entering time is 9:53. Entering the New York kill zone time. Buy side liquidity taken. Retrace back to 1 minute fair value gap right here. Gray box. Retrace back over 50% into premium on 1 minute range. So right here, over 50%. SMT divergence. I can't really show it right now, but you can kind of see right here. So high, 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 low. Selling near midnight euro opening price. This is the price. Align with daily bias. Targeting here. And that's all. This is my second trade. So what I'll do next is to see what will the market do in the lunch time, which is typically 11:30 to 1 p.m. afternoon. And my typically entry point would be like 1:30. So we can see market retrace and just consolidating right here. We're not going to engage it, and we can see what will the market do right here, the lunchtime hour. Market's trending down, breaking this low, breaking a sell side liquidity pool right here, and we can see are there any entry opportunity right here. Okay, I believe it's right near here, so we can see trade free. Right here, sell side liquidity pool been taken right here. See the entry right here, and the price goes up. Price retrace back to the 1 minute fair value gap, aligned with afternoon bias, because we reach our daily target right here, and it's likely the price will be reversed to the upside, which is a distribution on power 3. So align with afternoon bias, which is bullish. Retrace back to 1 minute fair value gap right here. Sell side liquidity taken on 3-minute structure. Taken. Small bullish breaker on 1-minute structure. Low, lower low, higher high, and retrace back to last low right here, and retrace back to bullish order block right here. This red candle, and this price just hits it, the high of this bullish order block, and we might entry right here. Market structure shift on 1-minute structure into bullish. High's been broken right here. Market structure shift with this a small displacement, retrace, and we're gonna enter. And we're targeting at the high buy side liquidity pool right here, and targets hits. So this is our last trade of the day. So we can see the market drops on the 8:30 opening, kind of like retrace, manipulate on 9:30, drops more and drops more, retrace, consolidation right here, distribution. The next time frame I will be looking at is 3 to 4 p.m. afternoon. The price is just going up. So we didn't have clear bias right here. Price might reaching this fair value gap right here, but we didn't have clear bias, so we won't participate. Price reaches, and we're done for the day. So I will record all my trade on the Notion, record the duration of the trade, and I can see the reference right here to keep how I see the chart becomes a second nature for me. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and comment down below if you have any question about the trading process or the software, and I'll see you in the next video.